Welcome to our deep dive into the manufacturing industry, a sector that transforms raw materials into the products we use every day. You know, most folks don't think much about where the stuff around them comes from. They just figure it magically appears on store shelves, poof, like some kind of economic fairy dust sprinkled it there. But me, I like to get my hands dirty, understand the sweat and ingenuity that goes into every last thing we touch. That's what we're gonna do today, folks. We're going on a journey to explore the backbone of our modern world, the manufacturing industry. We're talking steel mills and assembly lines, robotics and raw materials, the nuts and bolts, and probably a few screws, literally, that hold our society together. We're gonna meet the men and women who build the things that build our world. We're gonna get a little grease under our fingernails, and a whole lot smarter about how stuff gets made. So, buckle up, grab your hard hat. Figuratively, of course, unless you're actually on a factory floor, then please, safety first. And let's get started. We start with a hunk of metal, a pile of plastic pellets, maybe some wood pulp. Looks about as exciting as a discarded lunchbox, right? But hold on. This is where the magic happens. Our raw materials are about to go through a transformation, a metamorphosis from useless junk into something useful. First stop, the assembly line. Picture a choreographed dance of machinery and manpower, each step in the process adding a piece, tightening a bolt, molding the raw into the refined. Sparks fly from welding torches, robotic arms pirouette with precision, and skilled hands guide the process with years of expertise etched into their calluses. It's loud, it's hot, it's a symphony of industry, and by the time our raw materials reach the end of the line, they're no longer recognizable. They've been stamped, molded, forged, and assembled into the products we rely on every day. Now you might be thinking it's just a bunch of machines doing the work, and yeah, technology plays a huge role, but let's not forget the human element. Behind every machine, every process, there's a skilled worker, a craftsman, an engineer who keeps the gears turning. They're the ones who program the robots, troubleshoot the glitches, and ensure the quality of the final product. That hunk of metal we started with, it's now the frame of a car, the chassis of a skyscraper, the gears in a wind turbine. That pile of plastic, it's morphed into medical devices, children's toys, the phone you're probably holding right now. See, it's not just about transforming materials, it's about transforming their value. And that value? It's a reflection of the hard work, the ingenuity, the sweat equity poured into it by millions of men and women who get up every day and build the world around us. Manufacturing isn't a one-size-fits-all operation, it's as diverse as the products it creates. On one end of the spectrum, you've got your small-scale operations, your mom-and-pop shops, your artisanal craftsmen handcrafting bespoke items. These are the heart and soul of communities, keeping traditions alive, one unique piece at a time. Then you've got the giants, the mega factories churning out products by the thousands, employing entire towns, their output fueling global economies. These behemoths of industry are awe-inspiring in their scale and efficiency, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to organize and execute on a massive scale. And let's not forget everything in between. The mid-sized manufacturers, the regional players, each contributing their own unique piece to the puzzle. It's a vast ecosystem of production, a testament to the diverse needs and desires of our modern world. Now, let's talk tech. Remember those robots on the assembly line? They're not just a futuristic fantasy, they're the reality of modern manufacturing. Robotics, AI, the whole industry 4.0 shebang, it's changing the game, folks. And yeah, some folks hear automation and they get nervous. They picture robots stealing jobs, leaving hardworking men and women out in the cold. But here's the thing, technology isn't replacing jobs, it's changing them. Sure, some tasks are better suited for machines, but that just frees up humans to do what we do best. Problem solve, innovate, and adapt. We're talking higher skilled jobs, safer working conditions, and a whole new level of precision and efficiency. The future of manufacturing is a partnership between man and machine, a fusion of human ingenuity and technological prowess. Now let's break down the manufacturing world into two main camps: discrete and process. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Discrete manufacturing is all about creating distinct individual items. Think cars, smartphones, furniture, things you can pick up, count, and differentiate. On the flip side, we've got process manufacturing. This is where things get a little more fluid, literally. We're talking about producing goods that can't be easily separated into individual units. Think liquids, gases, powders, chemicals, food products, that sort of thing. Both are essential parts of the manufacturing ecosystem, each requiring its own unique set of skills, processes, and technologies. One makes the phone in your pocket, the other makes the soda you might be drinking while you watch this video. So, we've seen how stuff gets made, but how does it get from the factory floor to your front door? Enter the supply chain. A complex and interconnected network of suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers, all working together to get the goods where they need to be. It starts with sourcing raw materials, often from all corners of the globe. These materials are then transported to factories, where they undergo their transformation into finished products. From there, it's on to warehouses and distribution centers where products are sorted, packaged, and shipped to retailers or directly to consumers. It's a logistical ballet, a carefully orchestrated dance of trucks, trains, ships, and planes, all moving in sync to keep the world stocked with the stuff we need and want. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the manufacturing industry. We've seen firsthand the sweat, the skill, and the innovation that goes into every product we touch. It's a sector that's constantly evolving, embracing new technologies and adapting to the changing needs of our world. But one thing remains constant: the hard work and dedication of the men and women who make it all happen. So next time you pick up your phone, drive your car, or even just open a can of soup, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. It's a journey that reflects the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit, a testament to our ability to build a better world, one product at a time. Stay tuned for more insights into the sectors that shape our world.